look at the violations dyan. Tumatakbo lang yung black, pinagbabaril ng polis. Wala naman kayong... I have to yet to say human rights, yung local doon. Pero yung international human rights, wala. Do not exercise hypocrisy. You'll never find me your follower. I will do it my way. I will do it my way. There are laws, and we will follow them. Basta ako ang order ko, sa ngayon pa, pag-aralan na ninyo, police, military. Go out and hunt for them, arrest them, and if they offer violent resistance, and if you think that your life is in danger, shoot, and shoot them dead. Period. Kung hindi naintindihan ng human rights, I'm sorry. The human